Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect patch crochet. Joining crochet patches can seem tricky, but with the right technique, your projects will look polished and professional. We'll explore 3 popular methods, starting with the slip stitch join. This method is fantastic for creating a very flat and subtle seam, making your finished piece look cohesive and neat. It's a great choice for garments or blankets where you want minimal bulk. Next up is the single crochet join, which offers a bit more texture and can even be a decorative element. This method creates a small, defined ridge along the seam, adding a lovely detail to your work. You'll hold your patches with the right sides facing you, then work a single crochet stitch through both corresponding loops of each patch. It's a sturdy and reliable way to connect your pieces, perfect for items needing extra durability. Our third method is the whip stitch, a hand sewing technique using a yarn needle. This is excellent for a very secure and flexible join, especially when working with different yarn weights or textures. You'll thread your needle with a generous length of yarn, then simply pass it through both loops of each corresponding stitch, wrapping the yarn over the edge. It creates a neat, almost braided appearance and is quite versatile for various projects. Once your patches are joined, don't forget the crucial finishing steps. Weaving in all your loose ends neatly is essential for a professional look and to prevent any unraveling. Blocking your finished project can also make a huge difference, helping to even out your stitches and give your piece a beautiful, consistent shape. Experiment with these methods to find your favorite and enjoy creating stunning, connected crochet projects.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.